Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Cake Wallet application on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to install any Android application on your PC, you will need to use an Android emulator. So in order to install it, open up your web browser first and then use any Android emulator. I'm going to use BlueStacks. So if you're going to do the same, go into bluestacks.com and press enter. Now right from the home page, you will be able to find the download button, which you can click to download the installer. Then simply open up the downloaded file and click through the next buttons, and this will install the BlueStacks emulator on your system. After it is installed, you can simply open it up and this will open your Android home screen. Now from the home screen, go ahead and open up the Google Play Store and log into your Google account, which you will be asked to do if you're opening it up for the first time. After you have logged into your account, just go ahead and click on the search box and then search for Cake Wallet. Once you find the Cake Wallet application, you can simply click on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of Cake Wallet on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and when it is done, you will see the open button. You can then go ahead and click on the open button and this will open up the Cake Wallet application on your device. And now you can use the application to start trading your crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Cake Wallet application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.